You gotta be quiet because I don't want to scare them off. I've already moved down here into their territory and they're already nervous about it, but we've got a ton of woodpeckers going for the suet on this tree. See if I could zoom in a little bit more. To see all that he grabbed, that was a big chunk. Over here we got a couple other bird feeders that have, the one that looks like a box has jelly in it, so the Orioles come over for that one. And we're getting all kinds of different ones on the seed feeder there. Now we got these bright yellow birds here. Very beautiful. Got one up on top of the bird feeder and you got one down on the bird bath. I don't know if that's clear or not. Sorry, folks. New phone coming soon. Got something over there inside that house-looking bird feeder eating the jelly up there too. He flew away. Got an Oriole coming down there. Look at how orange that is. That is just crazy. Beautiful. Like he's going for that jelly. So I guess in these feeders here you put in grape jelly. It's cheaper than the jelly you can get for the birds and they love it. Just got to get natural stuff, you know. Here we got something. I think those are little woodpeckers, some sort. He's getting that suet. Oh, here's a whole family of them just showed up. Let's see how many show up down on the feeder. Boy, are they cool, huh? You could put out a brand new suet in the morning and it is gone by late afternoon. He's checking me out. He's wondering what I'm doing over here. He's going for that bird feeder instead. I think he might got a little nervous that I was sitting here. Did you hear those wings? That was awesome. Oh, he's going for that hole. He's been working on that hole, I guess. So earlier, one of these exact type of woodpecker right here came over with its little babies and was feeding them. And they were about the same size as he was. But he would pull some of that suet out of the, and then he would feed it to the other birds. He's still trying to teach them how to get it. Not sure what those yellow ones are. I think the bright orange ones are Orioles, Baltimore Orioles. And that guy's up there doing something right now. There he is. Boy, they come and go quick. They're hanging out above me, but they won't come down to me. Hoping they'll come down sooner or later. He's checking me out. Well, he doesn't want to come down yet. There it is. This little guy's going to go for it. Now maybe the big guy will see that this little guy went for it, and he'll think it's safe to come down. There's a pretty cool guy. He's going to go for it. Kind of having a little bird fight there. The other one's down here. They're both eyeballing each other. That is a cool looking bird. I don't know what kind of woodpecker that is, but they got a really cool color coat. Blacks and grays and browns. Big fight going on over here. There he is. He just grabbed a whole bunch. Now he's looking for some wood to peck. Got a blue jay up here. He's checking it all out. I think he's a little nervous of me. These guys here. Oh, he almost went over on that. Look at that thing swinging from him landing on it. See if he comes back. See him sitting in the tree there? He's wondering. Wondering if it's safe. Come on, blue jay. He wants that suet, but I think I make him a little nervous. That guy's pretty red. Not sure if that is a cardinal though. He's watching me. See that little chipmunk? There he comes. He's wondering. Oh, he's quick. These guys, that one's really beautiful. Look at that little thing. The striping on that. Oh, the blue jay just did a dive bomb. He's dive bombing. Ooh, this one's got some red on his head. Look at that. He's got a little red on the back of his head. Must be some sort of scare tactic for other birds so they don't sneak up behind him. Got that blue jay over there hanging out with a chipmunk. That'd be an interesting battle. This guy's still munching away. Okay, it's morning now the next day. I'm getting some of these bigger woodpeckers out here. Like this guy up here. That might be a true redhead. I guess there's a couple different redhead styles. But he's so big up there above us that I think he's a true redhead. Okay, there's a little bit smaller. He's back. Sorry, the camera's shifting a bit there. He's making his way down. So I guess the suet that my bro put out this morning is frozen. Gotta keep it fresh. So they're having a hard time breaking it out. Look at him working on that thing. Holy mackerel. And over here we got this bright yellow. Black face with an orange beak. That is a good looking bird right there. Look at them all. There's five woodpeckers on there right now. Holy mackerel. It's a woodpecker party. Oh, there's gonna be a fight. There's a little fight going on up there. Everybody's waiting their turn. It's like the buffet. It's like the buffet at the Harrah's Casino in Laughlin, Nevada. The Pioneer. That is funny. Oh, look at that guy coming in there. I don't know if they're a little nervous because of me, but he sees the other guy on it, so he's got to be saying to himself, stranger danger might not be as bad as I thought. Wow, there's a bird party going on over there too. Look at that. gonna have to get the bird book out and look some of these up later. I guess these small ones, can't remember the name of this other type of redhead woodpecker like that one right there, but the small ones up there I guess are downy. Possibly downies. I'm hoping the big guy with the redhead shows up. True redhead. Got the little chipmunk going on right there. Little chippy chip. They found something to munch on this morning. Guys were yelling at each other a second ago. That is funny. He's saying, hurry up, man, I'm hungry. He's saying, hey, lady, leave a little for the rest of us, would you? Jeez. Now he's going to force the other one off there. They could probably both hang on it at the same time. Oh, maybe he's a kid saying, hand me over a chunk. Yeah. Saying, give me a chunk. That is funny. That is cool. I don't know if they're fighting or if they're friends just trying to get food out of each other's mouth. This one came back, got on there. That was a good angle of him trying to get some out of there. Look at that. Getting a little beak full. Here are two more of them fighting up here. Oh, look at the color on this guy. I think it's going blurry, sorry. To zoom back out slightly. Guess this morning light is not letting it focus too good. Here's that little black and white one with the really cool coloring. Really like the spots and the patterns on this guy. Kind of fun.